Language serves as a rich system of patterns and symbols that facilitates communication. As outlined by ASHA 2023, it incorporates both comprehension and the use of various forms of communication, including spoken, listening and speaking, written, reading and writing, and sign languages such as American Sign Language. Language functions in two key ways. It is both expressive, allowing individuals to convey thoughts and ideas through speaking, writing, or signing, and receptive, enabling them to understand through listening, reading, and watching. Each of these forms interacts seamlessly within a cohesive framework, creating a dynamic and integrative whole that enhances our ability to connect and share information. By understanding these domains, teachers can effectively identify and provide support for both typical and atypical learning, fostering a more enriching learning environment for all children. Louisa Moats highlights 5 fundamental components of language: phonological skills, syntax, morphological skills, which is how language is formed, semantics, which is the content of language, and pragmatics or vocabulary, which is how language is used. Recognizing these 5 components is crucial for early childhood educators as they lay the foundation for children's language and literacy development. Let's explore the 5 components of language. Phonology refers to the sound system of language, incorporating phonemes and the rules that dictate how they are combined. Developing phonological awareness is essential for children as it supports their ability to decode words while reading. In the classroom, this translates to students recognizing and differentiating the sounds b and p in words like bat and pat, which strengthens their reading skills. Morphology involves the structure and formation of words through the smallest units of meaning, known as morphemes, which includes bases, prefixes, and suffixes. By understanding morphemes, students can significantly enhance their vocabulary and comprehension, enabling them to engage more deeply with language. In the classroom, teaching the concept of adding ed to walk to form walked helps students understand verb tense and enhances their reading and writing skills. Syntax refers to the rules that guide the combination of words into phrases and sentences, which supports students in developing fluency and in both reading and writing. In practice, this involves guiding students to recognize and correct sentence structures. For example, transforming dog, black, big into the big black dog helps them learn about subjects and predicates. Semantics involves understanding the meanings of words, phrases, and sentences, which is essential for reading comprehension and effective expression. In the classroom, this can be taught by exploring multiple meanings of words, such as the different interpretations of bat as both an animal and a sports equipment. This enriches students' vocabulary and comprehension. Pragmatics plays a crucial role in how we communicate within social contexts, encompassing the ways we express ourselves, who we are communicating with, and the timing of our interactions. It is essential for helping children grasp the nuances of stories, conversations, and their surrounding contexts. In educational settings, this translates to providing explicit instruction and practice in making polite requests and engaging in conversations, such as contrasting, "May I have the black block?" with "Give me the block." According to a Encyclopedia on Early Childhood Development, to foster language development, children benefit greatly from opportunities to engage in conversations and receive constructive feedback from adults. Children with language learning differences such as dyslexia, language delays, or autism may face challenges in one or more aspects of pragmatic language. By identifying where these challenges occur, educators can implement targeted interventions that effectively address the specific needs of each child, thus avoiding misinterpretations of their needs as behavioral or motivational issues. Teachers can support language development in the classroom with 3 simple strategies. Explicit phonics instruction. Teachers should focus on directly teaching the relationship between letters and sounds by incorporating multisensory activities, such as tapping out sounds and utilizing picture cards to enhance learning. Semantic mapping, by implementing graphic organizers to connect new vocabulary with familiar words and concepts, students can strengthen word knowledge and support overall comprehension. Interactive book reading or shared writing. Teachers should encourage discussions on sentence structure, predictions about meaning, and practice retelling stories, emphasizing language and context-rich enriches the learning experience. To foster language development effectively, it is essential for teachers to identify both typical and atypical patterns among students. By responding proactively, particularly for those with exceptionalities, educators can create a more inclusive learning environment. Implementing research-based strategies such as explicit instruction, semantic mapping, and interactive literacy routines will empower all children to strengthen their language skills and reach their full potential.